Unlock incredible savings and spread out your payments on Temu with Clearpay. Why Euro, your ultimate guide to smarter shopping, is here. First, open your Temu app and browse the amazing selection of products from fashion and electronics to home goods and decorations. Temu has it all. Once you've found that must-have item, tap on it to view the product details. Add the item to your shopping cart by tapping the Add to Cart button. Continue shopping for other incredible deals, or proceed directly to checkout by tapping the cart icon in the top right corner. On the checkout page, you'll see your order total. Scroll down to find the payment option section. Look for the Clearpay logo or the Pay with Clearpay option. Tap on it to select Clearpay as your preferred payment method. You'll be seamlessly redirected to Clearpay's secure platform. If you're a new user, you'll need to create an account. Existing users can simply log in. Clearpay will then present you with a payment plan. This typically involves 4 equal installments, paid every 2 weeks. Review the plan to ensure it fits your budget. If you agree, confirm your purchase through Clearpay. Once Clearpay confirms your payment plan, your Temu order is complete. You'll receive an order confirmation from Temu, and Clearpay will manage your future payments directly. This means you can enjoy your purchases now and pay them off gradually, making budgeting a breeze and affordability a reality. Clearpay on Temu truly is a game changer for savvy shoppers looking to get more for less. Start shopping smarter today. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more helpful tips.